Young girl, it's alright. I'll be right here when your world starts to fall. Young girl, it's alright. Your tears will dry, you'll soon be free to fly. When you're safe inside your room, you turn to dream of a place that nothing's harder than it seems. When no one wants or bothers to explain of the heartache life can bring, what it means when there's no one else. Look inside yourself like your oldest friend. Just trust the voice within, and you'll find the strength that will guide your way. You'll learn to begin